All right, everyone, on today's episode of What Else Are We Gonna Do to the FL5, we're gonna go ahead and add the Spoon Sport Blue Wide Mirrors to the car. When you're out on track, I really feel that you need the mirrors. They help you out with blind spots. I had that on the FK8 and I felt that my field of vision was a lot better when I had them, and it really helped out on track, again, with blind spots and whatnot, especially when people are trying to pass you up or you're passing those people up. You know, you want to be able to get in front of them without clipping them and all that. I got Morris over here working on it. I got Lewis working on it. And there isn't rocket science to this, even though you'd be surprised on how some get it wrong. All right, Lewis just installed the passenger side one. And like I was telling you, I'm gonna compare with the Spoon one already installed and the OEM one. Now, Spoon's done a great job of including the little blind spot here. The Mugen one, you actually have to hook it up to the relay that goes to the light here, and that will help with this, what do you call it, turn signal here when you turn on the car, which looks a little nicer and whatnot. And I believe they also defrost. I will lose that function on here, but whatever, I live in California, so it's not a big deal. Looks super cool so far. Let me show you the difference between OEM and the Spoon Blue Wide Mirror. All right, look, that's approximately the field of view here. Because of the glass being a little bit of a convex, you're able to see a lot more. It's kind of like when you have those Broadway mirrors or even the mirror for the rear view, you're able just to see a lot more. It widens the field of view for you, compared to the OEM one, which is here. You see the difference? And I'll show you once Lewis puts on the other one. I'll show you the difference, but all right, so remember that view there, guys. Just a little pro tip here, guys. What we have learned from our mistakes is because this mirror is convex. Let me actually get you the instructions here. See, the instructions by Spoon, they tell you to put the stickers up to the edge, and they, in my opinion, give too much pressure on the outside of the mirror, and it could result in cracking, which is what happened to us on one of these sets. We followed the instructions to a T, and the next morning when I came out, the mirror was cracked right in the middle, which led me to believe there was too much pressure being applied. Again, could have been that I put the stickers too far on the edge, or it could have been that, again, there was just too much pressure in the middle and it allowed the mirror to crack. So now what we're doing is, like I said, we went ahead and added a piece to the middle. We went ahead and also added some on the outsides. That way we can go ahead and distribute the amount of pressure. And we got the Maestro here. Everybody hold your breath. This is a one-shot deal. What Lewis noticed right now when he was trying to install it, and it makes total sense because the passenger side has a slight convex mirror. Again, that's why you're able to see out of your passenger side a lot closer in that mirror. This one does not have that. What we're having to do is we're gonna add more tape to it in hopes that it can grab on a lot better. All right, talk about overkill for this mirror. Again, we're getting closer to the edges, but at the same time, we have tape in the middle. All right, guys, here's the view afterwards. And as you could tell, you could see a heck of a lot more now of the garage than you could before, which, like I was telling you, I think before you could like see just this view, and now you could see a lot more. You can even see the camera. Again, when you're on track, these things help out, right? You guess, maybe?
Bro, sorry, this time zone has me all fucked up.
The time just changed out here. It's got Lewis all spun out.
No, man, I feel like it's 11 o'clock right now, but
He's ready to go to sleep because Lewis is really an old man. If you think this guy's out and about late night, no, he's like a 65-year-old man in a 30-something-year-old body. This is him. Yeah, sweater weather. You're lucky he's not wearing his New Balances right now and his freaking tracksuit. Yeah, this is him. Look, you see Morris's t-shirt, lucky not wearing shorts, wearing his best steel-toed Vans, And you got Lewis all bundled up like he's going to the snow.
Let me go wipe this down again. The secret is the side-to-side motion. You know, you gotta get that heat in there. You gotta edge it out.
You got it warm. What you know about that, Morris?
Nothing. I don't know a damn thing about that.
Obviously not. Two-time reigning champ, Edge Master.
Back to back.
Wow, everybody was buzzing? Oh,
Uh-huh. He's the Edge Master in 3 states. All right, like I was saying, guys, that's pretty much it. There's nothing to it. The main thing is that you want to make sure that when you are installing these, you're putting them in right. There was a moment that I had thought about popping the mirror out, but to be 100% with you guys, these mirrors are not like the 10th gen. These are a lot harder. Trust, we tried to pop them out and it was a pain in the rear to get them back in. And if you don't want to go through that, just do this. You know, if you didn't know, your mirror can move sideways, right? It's not that hard. Let me just show you. See? Just like you could push them in, these push out. You know, and it gives you a lot more area to work on, able to line them up a lot better, and then you just put them on. Like I said, be careful, follow the instructions that we did, and you'll be all set. Again, to everybody, if you have not signed up for the channel, do yourself a favor, sign up, subscribe, hit the like button for us, and hit the notifications bell so you know when we post new content like this. Could be a long video, could be a short video. But again, thanks again for watching. For the trusty labor assistant and for the 2-time Edge Master, Lewis. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.